All right. Good morning, Professor Ginsburg and the rest of the class. Hope you guys are having a great week. So reflecting back on the 3SB program thus far and how it's prepared me for the EdTPA, I think it's done a great job at doing so. Kind of reflecting back on the courses that I've taken, maybe starting off with Evans. One of his big assignments that he had for us was to complete the context for learning. And so that assignment really did prepare me for the current context for learning that I'm completing now. And so that was just a great assignment that he did for us and he prepared us for. He also had a lot of resources for scholarship that we could apply throughout our EdTPA. Moving on to my PE methods course, just setting up our lesson planning correctly was huge in that class. So I think it really prepared me in that aspect. One of the big courses that I really enjoyed was Professor Matas's class, where Matas prepared us on how to differentiate and how to scaffold for our EL learners, as well as making sure we're incorporating our EL standards in our classrooms. Those were just huge resources and assistance that helped me currently in completing my EdTPA. Moving on to Lafferty, one of the biggest things that I got out of her class to help me through this EdTPA is scholarship. We all created a notebook at the end of the year with scholarship that we could apply throughout our EdTPA. I found that to be a little bit difficult initially, but with the amount of resources that she provided for us, I know that without a doubt I have plenty of scholarship to incorporate throughout my EdTPA. And then last but not least, Rodenberg. Rodenberg was huge in assisting in the scholarship area as well. She also prepared us to properly complete a lesson plan and what the EdTPA entails. And then last but not least, I guess it's really Professor Ginsburg. You actually really did prepare us beyond what any other program I think could be able to do for their students. Looking at all the resources that you have for us here, you have the evaluating academic language use and EdTPA tips. You have our commentary templates that we can practice with and look at over and over again. Here you have our EdTPA checklist that I printed out and I'm evaluating now, moving on to just our understanding the level of progressions. The use of academic language. All these resources have been critical thus far. I think through reading over all these resources, I have a good understanding of what the EdTPA entails. And I truly believe that no other program is doing this for their students. And so I'm definitely blessed to be here. Thank you guys so much for listening, and I hope you guys have a great day.